Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you what the power of makeup does for me. If you want to see how this works for me in the products that I use, then just keep watching. Alright guys, to start with, we're going to take the Cover FX blurring primer and use it to prime the face. Alright guys, for foundation I'm going to be going in with the MAC Studio Fix Fluid. This is a super full coverage foundation and I'm using the shade NC40. And I'm just going to take that and dot it all over the face and blend it out with a brush. Here I go in with the Beauty Blender because it gives more coverage. For concealer, I'm going to be taking the ColourPop No Filter Concealer and I'm in the shade Medium 28. Eyeshadow primer, I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay Primer Potion to prime the eyelids. Next, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Kit using the Banana shade just to set the eyes and underneath the eyes. Now I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Better Skin Foundation Powder just to set the face. Next, to contour the face, I'm going to be using the MORPHE Brontour palette, and I'm just going to take the darker shade in here, and I'm just going to begin to make a definition on the face. And here I'm taking the Morphe Blush Trio and I'm going to use it to add some color to the cheekbones. Here I'm going in with an oldie but goodie. This is my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Deep Dark. Now jumping into the ColourPop I Think I Love You palette, I'm going to take that light brown shade and I'm just going to dust it in the crease as a transition shade. Next, I'm going to grab this dark brown color and I'm going to dust it just a little bit lower in the crease to add definition to the eye. Alright guys, now to make it look like my lid space is bigger than it actually is, I'm going to cut the crease. And that's the thing about makeup, it's fun and it's just making illusions on the face. You can make depth, create depth, make things look bigger than they are, make things look smaller than they are. So yeah, this is how I cut the crease. So here I'm taking some of the same ColourPop concealer that I used underneath the eye, and I'm just going to use it to carve out the crease area. Now when you do this, the purpose of this is to make your crease look larger than it actually is. Next, I'm going to go in and pick up some of the shimmery shades in the palette and just apply it to the new crease that we created. I'm taking the black eyeliner that I got in my BoxyCharm last month, and I'm just going to create a wing because I love how a wing makes your eye look. It actually makes it look very elongated, and it really flatters the eye. Remember guys, doing a wing is not the easiest thing in the world. We make it look really easy, but we've had a lot of practice, so always remember, practice makes perfect. Here I'm going to pick up these two shades right here, and I'm going to pop them in the lower waterline. And working off the back of the hand, I'm going to take some of the same black eyeliner and just pop it in the waterline as well. My favorite lashes of all times. These are the style Lucky Lola, and I got them from LashXo.com. Going in with mascara, I'm going to just put some mascara on the bottom lashes, and I'm using the Maybelline Mega Plush. And here to sculpt the eyebrows, I'm going to use the Anastasia Brow Wiz. I'm sorry, this is the Brow Definer, and this is in the shade Deep Brown. To take the Brow Gel, and I'm just going to use it to fill in some of the sparse areas. This is actually small fibers, and it's pretty cool. I got it in my BoxyCharm last month. I actually like it. Now for my favorite part, I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby, and I'm just going to highlight the high points of my cheekbones. And here I just picked up a random lip pencil. It's brown in color. I don't know the name of it because the name is scratched off, so yeah. Next, I'm taking the Tarteist lip paint in the shade Choker and applying it to the lips. And to finish this look off, I'm just going to set my face with some NYX setting spray. Alright guys, that is it for this video. This is what the power of makeup does for me. Always remember that makeup is just fun. Makeup cannot change who you are as a person. Makeup can cover up your blemishes, can cover up the imperfections on your face. But at the end of the day, you are who you are. And everybody is beautiful in their own way. So we play in makeup just to make ourselves maybe feel good. And it just makes you feel dainty and pretty. But real beauty comes from inside. This video was inspired by none other than Nikki Tutorial. She did a video on this last year and it went viral. So I just thought how neat it would be to recreate her video. Just remember, the reason for makeup is just straight up fun. It's just, this is my escape time. It is my happy time. It's what I do when I want to just be lost in my own little world. Just remember that makeup doesn't change who you are. Makeup is just fun. And remember all the time, no matter what, everyone is beautiful in their own way. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and leave any comment and suggestions down below. And until next time, stay beautiful.